TTC Signs. What we've learned so far. We have learned so much about taking the TTC so far. We have learned about getting on, riding, exiting, transferring, and paying to ride the bus, subway, and streetcar. This week, we're going to do a bit of a review lesson by looking at common TTC signs. Here we see the TTC sign. These are the subway lines 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These arrows show you the direction you should go. This arrow means go up or forwards. This one means go down. And this means go to the left. This is the wheelchair accessible sign. If you see that, it means people in a wheelchair can access this subway. This is the sign for the bus and the streetcar. Do you remember what this sign means? This is the TTC sign. This is a subway station. It is wheelchair accessible. If we followed this sign, we would find the exit, the stairs, and the buses. This sign is showing that the subway and streetcar are down the stairs. This says buses, the escalator, and the exit are upstairs. This sign shows us it is the exit to the street and to the buses. This sign tells us it is St. Patrick's subway station, which is on Dundas Street. This sign shows us that you should tap your Presto card on the green dot. It says, tap here. This sign tells us the Presto card tap was accepted and you should go through this gate. This sign shows us that the machine is not in service. You wouldn't be able to tap your Presto card to pay at this machine. This sign says the seats are for people who have disabilities, the elderly, or pregnant women. This sign tells us the next station is Christie, and it is going westbound to Kipling Station. We can also see the Bathurst subway station sign, letting us know we are in Bathurst Station. This sign shows us the exit is up the stairs. This sign shows us where people who are in a wheelchair can exit. It also shows us where the bus and streetcar go. You would go this way. This sign also shows us where the subway line 1 is. Both the northbound and the southbound trains are this way. If you wanted to get out at Walmer Road, you would go this way. Do you remember what this sign means? This sign is where we can get help. Press the blue button for information. Press the red button if it is an emergency. What do these signs mean? This sign is telling us to stand back from the tracks. Remember, stay behind the yellow line. This sign tells us to be careful of the gap between the train and the platform. What does this sign mean? This sign says danger, do not enter. It shows that there is electricity on the track and we could get hurt if we go past the sign. This sign shows us of a change in the regular route. Sometimes a bus or a subway or a streetcar might have to go on a different route if there is construction or a special event. This is a new sign. It says, do not sit on this seat to allow for social distancing. Let's watch the video on TTC Signs.
Hi, I'm Chris Upfold, Chief Customer Officer here at the TTC. We're here at Bloor Young Station to talk about our new wayfinding and signage. Over the next few weeks, you'll notice new signs here at Bloor Young Station that will help people move around the station more easily and efficiently. The biggest change that people are going to notice is the integration of more color and numbers into our signs. We're starting here at Bloor Young Station because it's one of our most important and busiest interchanges. Next, you'll see St. George, and we'll conduct customer research to understand how this has helped our customers, what our next steps should be. This isn't just about making this station and our network easier to use today. It's also about setting in place a foundation to make this easier to use in the future. We know our network is expanding. We know we're building new lines over the coming years, and we need to put into place the principles now to make sure that works for our customers. Simplified signs are going to make our network and stations easier to use and more accessible for all of our customers. This isn't about renaming our lines. This is about enhancing the line names we already have. Thanks very much for watching.